Sorry, sweet rice. Siya na naging sa diretso. Gusto ko sumakay.
Ano sa diretso? Bus? Ay, wag kang mag-bus nito.
Hi guys, si Mika ay nilalove na siya kasi wala yung cellphone niya. Totoo. Nakakapamina talaga kapag wala ng cellphone.
Bumagsak yung ano ko talaga, immune system ko.
Ano?
Bumagsak talaga yung immune system ko.
Akala mo sa school ka babagsak na sa pagkawala pala ng cellphone.
Totoo.
Crazy. Iyak na po. Pero nakakayak na talaga yun. Siguro pa ako siya. Hindi na ko yun. Na-stop ko na agad kasi literal na cellphone talaga yun.
Paano siya makakaakyat kung nakita niya?
That's 1 minute. See you next one. TikTok pala kami. Guys, for coming, birthday ko kasi. Sabihin nyo, happy birthday. Happy birthday! Wait! Pwede tayo kasama? Ano? Dapat dapat. We go! Wala kang pamakita ko pa kami eh. Naka-cellphone lang. Kainis to. Kasi pero, silitin mo na. Kit-kit ka lang. Angas-angas kasi. Di tinatawagan pala ah. Nasampulan siya ngayon eh. Yung ating gabi na, tapos tinawagan pa rin. Pero tawa-tawa lang ako dito, kinakabahan ako, tapos nahihiya. Ikaw kasi, joke lang, kasalanan natin yun.
Sunod na pipili
Ano yan, Ryan? Ba't ka nangunguha ng pagkain dyan?
Sorry na po, Ate Isha. Kasi,
Ate Isha.
alam mo naman po, isa pong best po na Choco Vanilla. Ayaw naman po ng kids ko eh. Nilista ko po dun. Sinabi ko po natin dyan.
Sige.
Ganun po.
Thank you po.
Thank you po kaagad.
Hi, guys.
It's my vlog. It's not your vlog. It's my vlog.
It's your vlog.
It's like, it's anime jam. That's
Wow.
anime. It's so Tagaling.
Yeah.
You're
She's
so
so
Tagaling.
Tagaling. Oh, really?
So Tagaling.
I think I saw her already.
Yeah, she's so Tagaling. Like,
She's so Tagal. She's wearing brown jacket with the black dress. Look at her. She's so Tagal. I don't like her anymore. But I like her every day. Huh? Yeah, we're going to eat quick though. Okay. Do you have money with you? And there's also a coffee shop there. It's cold there. Right. Don't you like coffee?
I don't have money.
Really? You don't have money? Why? You should have money. You're boring me?
Yes.
the police.
I'm waiting for the transportation allowance.
Ilang yung kulang sa 53 bago mag 60? 7. Hindi, 7. May 7. Oh, 7. Oh, meron ka ng 60. Tapos may 7 pesos ka na. Oh, 60 minus 100. 40. Oh, yung 7 mo, plus yun. 47.
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog for today's video. It's our first day together and we're gonna spending 3 days together. Yay! 3 days. Today is the first day, second day is tomorrow, and the third day is on Sunday. I'm so happy.
You're
Serving
gonna
with them.
celebrate Sunday in Pangasinan.
Yeah.
Your first time
Laway lang yan. Laway mo yan.
Yeah.
Makadaldal.
So we're gonna move like
So we're phoning.
yeah. So it's our first time to have time to spend time together. And look, and guess what? Last time we spent time with Kuya Gab, right?
Right.
And Kuya Gab is your life group
Oh,
leader.
no.
The world is smalling. Smalling?
The world is
The earth is
Biggie.
not earthing.
so the earth is not earthing.
Yeah. Super. It's our time to spend. It's our time to spend time together.
It's our time to your grammar is not grammar.
It's our time to
No,
bond.
your vocabulary is not vocabulary.
I'm sorry, it's my fault and it's my bad and it's your fault.
Yeah, it's very false.
What mo in the projection?
O yun na.
What's your order?
Here, my order is Korean banana.
Korean
banana.
Annyeonghaseyo.
This is
Okay.
this is my cafe. Charot.
This is my order. What's your order, guys?
My order is
Let's take a picture so it's
it's
Gimana ani?
Sorry, Ryan. We're all blogger here.
because your social media.
Yeah.
We are influenced.
So this is our order. Eight cups.
Your order is 80.
I think it was inspired in the BTS song. I know it's not BTS song. IU song. IU, right? With
Switch.
your bias.
Shame guys. Shame. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ako tigpin.
So we're using 2 videos.
Yeah.
Because the video is videoing, so we will use it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
The
later-
videos is
Ano na? Let's have this.
1, 2. Daw sabay dito to. Sabay. 1, 2.
Ay,
Ayan, dapat perfect.
Hindi perfect pa.
1, 2, 3, go! Hey! So we're gonna drink it at the same time. 1, 2, 3, go! I like it. Do you think you are in the Korea when you taste it?
Yeah. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
This is banana.
Tiramisu cake. Tiramisu cake. Tiramisu cake.
What if we do that in Pangasinan?
Oo nga, no?
Yes, let's
We're,
do it.
since we're the host.
Yeah,
Tiramisu
Be, ano
cake.
connect nun? Sa team na.
because tiramisu is from the garden.
It's not. It's a
The ingredients is from the
Do you
garden.
know what is the meaning of tiramisu?
Tiramisu is a cake.
Yeah, it's a cake, but it has a meaning. It says that tiramisu means cheer up. Yeah, it was served in the restaurant when you are done eating. It's their way to cheer you up. I think it was. It started.
So the tiramisu is tiramisu.
Tiramisu is a word which means cheer you up, something like that. Or
I'm gonna pick you up.
okay, it started during World War II. Yeah, I searched for it because
Yung tipong nagpa-fact check at tapos ako nagpapakita.
okay. So
Then the tiramisu is tiramisu again because World War II is World War II.
That's false.
hi guys.
Eh, uwi na kami. Uwi na ako guys kasi baka kami na.
Ngayon po alam mo tayo sa vlog.
Bye-bye vlog.
This is our first time.
Bukas na. Pangasinan na bukas.
Hope Garden pa. Hope Garden, Hope Garden na.
Sige,
Pangasinan.
Sige Pangasinan.
Guys, she doesn't have a storage anymore, but she keeps on shooting. I still have 5 gig.
Uy, there's a lightning.
Hi everyone, every 2, every 3, every 4, every 5. I'm here at Shamajars. I will stay here overnight because going to Pangasinan tomorrow morning. Our call time is around 5 or something. Because we will have very, very long ride. And I'm so sleepy. Okay, bye guys.
Hi guys. Tama po yun. So, papunta kami ngayon sa Pangasinan. Yay! Take over ng vlog.
So guys, sabi ni Teacher Jen,
What? Ano sinabi ko?
saan po tayo pupunta?
Ganun na. So guys, pumunta kami ngayon ng Pangasinan. Dito na kami ngayon sa Naiya.
Mag-airport na po kami.
Matthew chapter 7.
Pinaglagyan niya ko yun.
Guys, mapaprank ako na kunwari may jowa ka. May jowa. Kunwari nag-long ride. Nakikita niyo.
있잖아 정말 괜찮은 건가 When I see to something 걸까 Step by
Nagsulat pala siya ng lyrics. Lyrics ng worship. Sagot niyo po? Oh, Ryan! Narinig mo ba yun, Ryan? Narinig mo ba yun, Ana May? Okay, thank you po.
Kung mamunta kayo, dito ka lang sa gilid.
Until the
Good job kayo. Good job kayo. Thank you, Lord, because tapos na po.
Grabe, ang pagod natin. Pagod pa.
Ay po, pagod po, pero masaya po, syempre. Good job po.
Sa'yo ba to? Parang yan.
Good job yan. Good job yan.
Kakita.
Hi guys.
Sa dalawang video ka po magpakita.
We're coming home na.
Good job ka.
Good job kayo.
Chloe, good job. Oh, Ryan. Nasaan si Ryan na good job? Alam niyo, may talaga yung mag-vlog nyo na.
Hello po.
Hindi ko namin in-edit to. Hindi ko na. Yung isa din, yung isa din.
Okay na yun na. Yun lang.
Yung isa lang.
Isa lang. Okay, baba mo na mga gamit.
Hindi din ako doon, Ryan. I believe. Ate, papita.
Ito muna. May pala.
Welcome.
Dito daw. Ito lang nga to.
Good morning, guys. This is our day 3. Day 3? Yeah, it's our day 3 together. And it's our day 2 here in Pangasinan. Guess here's my final makeup. Then why did she do that? She wore makeup today, and I just put lip balm and colored lip balm and sunscreen. I haven't put.
And I'm eating empanada.
Yeah, she's right.
They ate tuna and pork. She gave me her empanada.
Yeah, because I don't eat empanada yet. But maybe I'll try someday.
Maybe you should try now.
No, I can't do it because I already brushed my teeth. Why do we speak in English?
I don't know.
Okay, so that's 1 minute. See you next week. Bye.
Vlog na sila.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.